Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to download NYT Games application on your iPhone. To get started and download the NYT Games, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now open up your App Store, go to the search box and type in NYT Games. Look for this NYT Games Word Games and Sudoku application and tap on the install or the get button to start downloading the app on your iPhone. Wait for the application to install, which will take a couple of minutes, and once it is done, you will be able to see the open button which you should press on in order to open up the NYT Games application. You can go ahead and play the game without an account by clicking on play without an account, or if you already have an account, click on login, or create a new account by clicking on create free account option and follow the prompts. That's how you easily download NYT Games on your iPhone in just a couple of steps. In this video, we will be learning how to sign in to your NYT Games application using your mobile device. To sign into your NYT Games app, first of all, open up the NYT Games application from your app drawer. This will open up your first interface for NYT Games. To log into an existing account, choose the second option, that is, already have an account, log in. Now, there are different ways you can log into your NYT application. The first one is by email address, the second one is by Google, the third one is Facebook, and the last option is to continue logging in with Apple ID. Simply go ahead and select one of the options that you find comfortable with. I'm going to choose the email option. Type in the email address that is associated with your NYT application in the first text box. Once you type in your email, click on Continue with Email. On the next field, it will ask you to enter your password. Type in your correct password for your account. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions. After entering your password correct, you will then be logged into your NYT application. You will then be signed in just like that. So that's how you sign in to NYT Games in just a couple of steps. In this video, we will be learning how to change your email address on NYT Games account. So let's get started. First of all, open up your NYT Games application and make sure to log in first. Now from the home page, click on your human icon at the top right hand corner. This will open up the settings tab where you'll need to click on manage your account. You will then be taken to the account information tab where you'll need to click update right next to email address. Now enter the new email in the first text box that you want to change to. While entering the email, make sure you enter the email that you have access to. On the next field where it says password, enter your account's password for your current account and finally click on save. Now, you will then be able to change your email address. You can now use your new email to log into your account when prompted. That is how you can easily change your email to a different one on NYT Games account. In this video, we will be learning how to subscribe to NYT Games. To subscribe to your NYT Games account, first of all, launch open the NYT Games application on your mobile device, or you can also go to the New York Times Games website on your web browser. Make sure that you are logged into your account, and once you are, you will need to go ahead and look for the subscribe button at the top left. Tap on subscribe for full game access. Now, you can go ahead and select the subscription plans available on the page. If you want to only gain access to the games and subscribe to the games, then you can select the Games tab and continue with your subscription, in which you will get a 7 days free trial. Similarly, if you want all the access, which comes up with news, games, cooking, Wirecutter, athletic, etc., then you can go ahead and select the monthly or the yearly plan at the bottom of the screen. Choose any one option and then follow through the instructions in order to complete your payment. And that is how you will be able to subscribe for NYT Games. In this video, we are going to be learning how to invite friends on NYT Games. To invite friends on NYT Games, first of all, open up your NYT Games application from your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged into the home page of NYT Games, click on the leaderboard icon at the bottom right hand corner and then click on Add Friends. Now, click on the Send Invite button on the next page and select a friend from your list that you want to invite to your game, or you can also go ahead and use any other messaging application. Select a contact and then click on the Send button at the top right corner in order to send your invitation to your friends. Now, once they accept your invitation, you will be able to play together on NYT Games. In this video, we will be learning how to enable notification on NYT Games. To enable notifications on NYT Games, first of all, open up your NYT Games application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're signed into your account, go to the upper right-hand corner and click on the human icon. Once you do that, this will open up the settings menu, from where scroll down and tap on Enable Notifications. After you tap on the Enable Notifications option, go ahead and select the notification option under Allow NYT Games to access, and then make sure to toggle on the button right next to Allow Notifications on your iOS device. After you toggle on this button, you will now receive push notifications from the app on your mobile device. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of your NYT Games application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. If you want to maintain privacy, manage multiple accounts, or simply ensure that no one else accesses your account, then you can easily log out of your New York Times game on your mobile device. First of all, open up the NYT Games app and get to the main homepage. From the homepage, click on the human icon at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu. From the settings menu, select Log Out. Wait for a few seconds and you will be able to end your session on NYT app. Logging out ensures that your account is secure, especially if you are using a shared or public device. So that is how you log out of your NYT application. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete your New York Times or your NYT Games account. So let's get started. First of all, open your NYT Games application and make sure to log into your account when prompted. Now, after you get to the main homepage, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. This will pop open the settings interface, from where you will need to click Privacy Settings. There, you should notice a button where it says Delete My Account. If you have an active subscription, you'll first need to cancel it before you can delete your account. But if you are running on free subscription, then you can simply tap on Delete My Account. Click on the Delete Account button at the very bottom on the next page so that you can confirm your deletion. Click Delete again, and there you have successfully deleted your account. It'll take a few hours to complete, and you will now be logged out of your NYT Games account. So that's how you can easily delete your NYT Games account in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.